Yes, let's look at chapter 3, how to edit these 2D sketches I talked about. So let me delete them and I'll show you how to edit them. Mainly, I'll look at smart dimensioning, mirror entities, the linear and circular pattern. So, like I said in the previous chapter, select a plane, go to sketch. Now, let's make this plane normal too. So press the space bar, then you click normal too, so that it faces you. So we are on the front plane. You can see there. So go to rectangle, click on it, sketch, go to smart dimension, let's pick the length, click. A window appears asking you to put the dimensions of your choice. Let's put 200, and here we are dealing with millimeters. If you wanted centimeters, just click on it and then click OK. So since you're dealing with millimeters, here you can see mmgs, so the unit here has come to 2000 because we put 200 centimeters. Let's pick this one as well, click on it, give it a dimension of 100 centimeters, which will equal to 1000 millimeters. Okay, so let's look at circle as well. Click on it, sketch, then let's pick just a normal circle. Then go to smart dimension, click on the item of your choice. For a circle, it will come immediately to diameter, assuming we wanted a diameter of 800 millimeters. Once you type 800, it will go to millimeters because down here you put the units to be for millimeter. If I put this to centimeter and I type the 800, let me do an illustration of that. So let's edit the sketch. So you can see now here it has changed to 8, but the other one was 800. Let's go back to millimeters. Okay, smart dimension, rename this sketch illustrating smart dimension. For a rectangle, you look at the lines. For circle, you look at the diameter or radius. Yes, then maybe let me see for polygon of 5 sides, that's a pentagon. Click on this, sketch. Here all sides are equal, so if I'm to give a dimension to this line, I put this at 1000 and I click enter. Realize that all these other sides will have the dimension of 1000. Okay, so that's how to apply smart dimensions in a nutshell. Maybe after putting the dimension, you can click on it, just double click. If you wanted to edit this to maybe say 220, then you click enter. The dimension will be adjusted immediately. Even this, let's double click on it, put 450. the update occurs to it. Double clicking is one way, or if you just click once, you can come to this window and make your adjustment, and then press enter or click the green tick. Yes.